Hi, I'm Nick Williams.
And I'm Delaney George.
Welcome to 4-Minute Friday Fun. What are we learning about today?
Google Sheets. It's kind of like Excel, Microsoft Excel.
It is. It's a spreadsheet. How engaging is that? So in terms of UDL framework, engagement probably isn't the best for this, but you can bring in graphs and visuals to look at data. Yep. It is a great way to represent data or sets of information. And it's another possibility for students to put together information within a spreadsheet for action and expression. So if you get into your G Suite, it is this Excel, which is now Google Sheets, or this version of it. It's green. And then we put in some numbers here as well, and we titled it. So there are lots of just kind of functional formatting pieces in here. So you can bold it, you can italicize things, highlight
text color, all that good stuff.
Yeah, change text color. We can highlight these cells a specific color. Let's not get something too dark here. Notice that text automatically spills over into the next cell. That option is right here. So you can text wrap it, or you can just have it stop.
Flip it off.
Yep. You can merge cells. So if you want to merge those two, that is this option right here.
Once you merge them, can you unmerge them?
Yep. There's a drop down on the right here that will unmerge. Okay. And we can even merge all of these cells together and make a box. And you can even have all of your options for borders as well, which is pretty easy. If you want to put text in a big box like this, we will say that you have to hit Alt-Enter to go to the next line. If you just hit Enter, it's not going to work. So helpful hit there. With this,
automatically goes to the bottom, but you can move it to the middle or the top by clicking the vertical align button.
And then there's also the alignment pieces here if you want it right, left, or center. So what else is there? If you want data, or not data, but if you want graphs, there's a couple ways. You can highlight it and then click the graph insert chart here and kind of customize any chart. So let's just do that one, but you see all the customizations here. Yeah. And you can insert it in.
Goes right in.
Yep, goes right in. You could also highlight, or you don't even have to highlight. Yeah, you do.
Just use the explore button.
And hit the explore button, and it'll give you several options of data within there, and even charts. And then you can even just drag them in as well. Yep. So that's pretty nice. The formulas all work the same way as an Excel sheet, and it'll give guiding hints there. So you could do equals, sum, and then it'll give you the keys here. And I just did one cell there though, but you can do up to however many you want, and you can get sums added in. So the formulas all work. Pivot tables, you can still do pivot tables. So that is under data. Let me unhighlight everything. Data, pivot table, and it'll give you the options on how to build it, puts it in a new tab. So you can add your fields of what columns or lines you want and values, and it'll still make pivot tables, which is nice. So the other piece here is that there are some conditional formatting pieces. So you can make it so that, let's say this is, let's say not empty, contains exactly, let's do greater than, give it a value of 5, then it will turn green. So if we put it to 3, it'll be white. And if you go above that, let's say you want it from a list, that is data validation. So you can select from a list, numbers, text. We do kind of a list of items, so you can separate them out by a comma, and it'll create a drop down for you for your entry log there.
Awesome.
Is there anything else that you can add to a spreadsheet?
There are add-ons. So just like on any other Google Drive document, you can add things to it. So there's GMath and all kinds of different add-ons. Flubaroo, which is a quiz.
Yep. So those are some helpful tools. Anyway, that's Google Sheets. Thanks for joining us.
Have a happy Friday.